Hi, good day and welcome to GFP Machines. Today we're just going to showcase some of the great new arrivals here at our company premises. Our stock includes about 450 to 500 high quality industrial machines. For example, we have this beautiful Felder combination machine. You're getting the same quality as new, of the same great European brands at half the price. Fully guaranteed, full peace of mind. Let's walk together and have a look. GFP, we're great fans of the Holitech range, a really high quality industrial brand from Taiwan. Very, very good value for money and such a nice machine. Let's have a look at some of our panel saws. We have some of the highest quality European panel saws on the market here. Robelin from the Netherlands, Lazzari from Italy, SEM from Italy, brands that we have come to know and trust over decades in the woodworking industry. All our panel saws are of course fully serviced, fully checked and fully quality guaranteed for your complete and utter peace of mind. If you have any issues on the machines, we're here to back you up anywhere in South Africa and with the best technical services and after-sales services anywhere on the continent.